So I built this app, basically a text classifier that has been trained on about 16,000 records. I use the Cohere fine-tuning model. So for single labels, I had about joy, sadness, anger, fear, love, and surprise as my 6 major labels. And I was able to derive about 93.29, 93% accuracy. And here's how it works. So you look at the guide here. It guides you on how to use it on the web application. You pass in your Cohere API key. If you don't have that, just create a new one. Then you see my model ID. Then you start to play around, right? You can pass in a single sentence, or you could go ahead and just attach a text file, so extensions in .txt and CSV files will also work. So that's it. You can also download the results to view them later, and that's it. Built something cool today.